Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a different kind of video because I want to show you the footages of the Black Joy Parade, an annual event that I just attended over the past weekend in Oakland, California. As I'm waiting for my public transport, let me tell you briefly about it and then we'll capture all the other beautiful footages. Here I was underground because I took the BART, which is the Bay Area Rapid Transit, a train system that helps to connect neighboring areas. It's fast, efficient, and because I didn't know exactly how the environment would be like in terms of parking, I didn't risk to take Uber. The Black Joy Parade is an annual event held in Oakland, California, celebrating the joy, resilience, culture of the Black community. I was happy to celebrate the 7th edition of the Black Joy Parade. It was first launched in 2018 as a response to the lack of positive representation of the Black people, which is like in mainstream media, and just counteract the narrative of the struggle often associated with Black experiences. One of the things that has been really outstanding for me since I started traveling is representation. I don't know, but if it occurs to anyone out there, sometimes I'm in a place and I'm the only person that looks like me. And I mean skin color, hair type, and things like that. So to see such a huge congregation of people that look exactly like me, that are expressing themselves through dance, music, and festivals was such a beautiful sight. And I'm just happy to share with you some of the footages. So the parade typically winds like through downtown Oakland, with participants showcasing their creativity through costumes, music, dance, floats, and it's a family-friendly event that welcomes people of all backgrounds to join in the celebration of the Black Joy culture. We had people from all walks of life. It's not just about the Black people, but also whites that are allies of the Black community. One of the key messages of the Black Joy Parade is the importance of self-love, empowerment, and unity within the Black community. It serves as a beautiful platform for Black-owned businesses, artists, and organizations to just showcase their work and contribute to the vibrant cultural landscape of Oakland. Representation matters a lot in terms of Black movements for several reasons. One of them is for visibility and recognition, just to ensure that Black voices, perspectives, and experiences are acknowledged and included in the societal narratives. When Black individuals and communities see themselves represented in various contexts, whether it's media, politics, or other institutions, it validates our existence and contributions to society. It helps with empowerment and self-worth. Seeing positive representations of Black people can boost another Black person's self-esteem and instill a sense of pride and belonging within the community. It sends a message that Black individuals are indeed valued and worthy of respect, which is crucial for combating stereotypes and negative perceptions about the Black people. Representation, of course, inspires future generations of Black leaders, artists, activists, and professionals by providing role models and examples of achievement. And when young Black individuals see people who look like them succeeding in various fields, it broadens their sense of possibility as well as encouraging them to pursue their goals. And one of the things I found out is Oakland has such a Black rich heritage, a rich Black heritage, I mean to say. There's lots of Black people, like it's a whole huge Black community, unlike San Francisco where I spend most of my time. San Francisco, in my opinion, has like a very large, it's a mixture, but mostly a very large Asian community. So the Black Joy Parade has grown in popularity, significance since its inception, and it draws thousands of attendees each year, gaining attention nationwide. And did I mention the event is completely free to attend, but there is so many things you can buy to support or to donate the Black community. So it was lovely being a part of such a movement, such joy, such excellence, and I loved spending time with them. I hope you enjoy these footages, and if you haven't, do consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I share a lot of things through my experiences, adventures, trips, experiences, and I said experiences twice, and every other thing. Okay, bye.